Hey everybody, my friend Jeanette from high school and on Facebook was posting a video yesterday and commenting on how contentious everything is and how polarizing everything is, and suggested that people just post videos of a moment in their lives, what they're doing every day. And so I thought I'd do that because I thought it was a good idea. And so this is just a video of me going out in the morning. This is something I do every morning to let the chickens out because it's always fun. And I'll see if I can get a shot here of the dogs as well. So this is a morning routine. Every morning I come out. The dogs are excited to be running around in the yard. And I come out and let out the chickens. They get locked up at night because most of the predation issues that we have happen at night. And so a good home at night makes all the difference in terms of things not getting accidentally eaten. So this is our Quonset hut. I'm going to open up the door. And here they come. Everybody's excited, even if it is foggy and rainy. There's the one male turkey we have left, and the female turkey we have left. Look how pretty. This is a 2-year-old rooster coming to see me because he thinks I might give him something to eat. This is Rupert, who was a gift from a friend who's about the same age. He's a total goofball. I'm trying to find my other rooster. Oh, there he is. So this one is the rooster from last March. So he's the new kid on the block. He's looking really pretty. Anyway, so this is the morning routine. Letting all the birds out. Now I'm going to go give them some breakfast. Have a good day, everybody.